Hi everyone, let's see what we are going to create today. It's a really interesting one. Let's try to create that. Okay, let's start. At first, you need those for a slide. I'm going to copy them. They are just four simple rectangles with a text in them, nothing special about them. But the important is that you need to create the text and the rectangle and then go to shape format and then group them. Okay, now you need to have these two big circles. They need to be in the same size. And after that, you format the shapes and give one of them this shadow and one of them this shadow. And it's important to make them to have the solid background. And then you copy that. Here you format the background to the next color. For example, here is darker green. And then select all of them. And then rotate them like this. And then do the same thing for each of them. When you rotate them, format the background and change the background color. And the last one. Your slide is ready. Just set the transition to morph and take a look at what beautiful thing you create. You see, it's pretty interesting and I hope you like it. If you like it, tell me in the comments. Until then, have a nice